Alrighty, this video will show you how to download the Coinbase Wallet app onto your mobile device. This tutorial is for Android because I don't have an Apple, but it will be mostly, if not completely, the same on your Apple device. So the first thing you want to do is find Coinbase Wallet, NFTs, and crypto in the Apple Store or the Play Store if you are using Android like me. So once it is downloaded, you want to open it, and you'll be met with this welcome to Coinbase Wallet. Create new wallet. I already have a wallet. If you already had a wallet, you're most likely not here, so we're going to go ahead and create one. So all you have to do, it may ask for whatever validation. Now once you finish creating your wallet, and yes, it is that fast, it'll ask you to claim your free username. You can do this now if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and skip it. It is completely optional. It does just make it easier to find your wallet with the protocols and whatnot that support this system. So once you've done that, now your wallet is created. Later on in this tutorial video, you're going to need to find your wallet address. And to do that, you will just click this kind of copy symbol over here. And here you can find your Ethereum address, which will be the one that you are using. Just kind of to delve into that a little more, anybody who has this public address that we just copied will be able to see what this wallet holds, but they won't have access to your wallet just by having that address. One thing you will definitely want to save for your wallet, if you're unsure how to do it already, is you need your recovery phrase. This is something you want to keep an absolute secret. You'll see here recovery phrase or private key request. And it's even going to ask you for to make sure, yeah, you want to do this. Even when you click view, it's going to ask to make sure you're not getting scammed. And essentially, when you click this eyeball here, it's going to show you 12 words. And if you have these 12 words, you can access your wallet from anywhere and move funds in or out of it, which is why it is so particular that you keep this a secret and don't show it to anybody. Write it down somewhere safe, memorize it, freaking etch it into metal and bury it somewhere. Just whatever you want to do to, keep it as safe as you want to. But whoever has these 12 words can have access to your account. So it's very good for backup, of course, because then you can use these from anywhere, but so can anyone else. So keep these a secret, definitely. Alrighty, this video will be showing you how to download the Coinbase Wallet extension for Chrome or Edge or the different various things, browsers that will allow you to have an extension. So what you're going to want to do is, one way or another, navigate to your Chrome or Edge extension store. A quick way to do there is just manage extensions, and then you can discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store. So we'll go there. You're going to want to search up Coinbase Wallet. And that will bring you to it. You can see I already have it installed, and it's this one right here. And so when you do this, you want to make sure that it is the correct one that you are installing, and that should be the wallet.coinbase.com. And then you'll click Add to Chrome, and then it will add it. Now, once you have it added, you can go ahead and hop into that extension, and I will share that screen for you now. Oh, okay. So it's not going to let me share that screen by itself, so I'll just go ahead and record my entire screen. Switch over to that. So you'll see now that we do have similar, if you watched the mobile instructions for this, where you can create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. Now, if you did follow along in the mobile instructions, you don't have to create a new wallet for this is if you're trying to, I guess, use Zeely on your computer. You can connect that same wallet. And we saw at the end of the mobile video for this that we saw that 12-word recovery phrase. This is why it's so important to keep that secret. Anybody who has those 12 words has access to your wallet and the assets and funds within. So if you did have that, you can take those 12 words, plug them into here, import your wallet, and now you can use that same wallet from both your browser and from your mobile device. Now then, assuming that you haven't done that, or you didn't watch the mobile video or didn't want it set up on your phone, we're going to go ahead and go to create a new wallet. So similar as before, but with the mobile phone, it didn't show you these off the get-go. You had to search for them. It's a little more streamlined, the process on the mobile app. But anyways, you'll come here. These are your 12 words. So you can view it here. I'm going to keep them hidden. Not that I plan to use this wallet, but also just to kind of set into that practice that you don't want anybody to see these 12 words. except for you. And so it's best to save these, store these somewhere like secure, write it down somewhere safe that no one will find it, memorize it, write it down somewhere and bury it. However, you want to keep these 12 words safe, just make sure you're the only one who knows them and make sure that you don't forget them, because if you don't have these 12 words and you can't get into your account anywhere, then you've lost your funds. But these 12 words are your key to your account. And as long as you have them, you can access your funds from basically, if not every wallet program. And you could even write your own code to access it if you knew those 12 words. So those 12 words are essentially the surefire key, the way to get into this wallet. So I can go ahead and copy to clipboard, and I will put that code somewhere else, somewhere safe. And I recommend you do the same. And then we understand that if I lose my recovery phrase, I'll lose all of the crypto in my wallet. That's very important because, oh, yeah, I mean, even you saw earlier, if you're importing a wallet, the only way to import that is with the recovery phrase. So you don't want to lose it. Same thing, it'll ask you just this security question right here, just to make sure that you've saved it. It'll ask you to pick the first letter and then the last one. And then that should allow you to do it. And now it'll let you create a password. Okay, well, that's too easy to guess, but they're going to let me do it anyways. I definitely recommend, you know, creating a very strong password. Oh, it won't even let me make that. Okay. Um, and ah, have to come up with something random right now. There we go. And so then you put your password and verify it. I wouldn't recommend doing the copy paste like I just did, so you actually know it. But and then submit, and just like that, you're going to have your own wallet. Same as before, it'll ask if you want to make your username. You can do this at any time. I'm going to skip it for now. And just like that, you now have your own wallet on the Coinbase extension. Um, and same way, what we did before is that when you need your Coinbase wallet address, not your wallet address, sorry, your Ethereum wallet address, which is what we'll need for POAP later. You'll be able to find that by clicking this little copy symbol up here on the top, and you can copy your Ethereum, your Solana, your Bitcoin address. There are more addresses on here that you can get, but we're not going to go into depth on importing or finding the other wallet addresses because we don't need it for this tutorial. So other than that, you'll just remember that's where you can get your Ethereum address, which we'll use for POAPs, uh, signing up later or linking your account. And then this is your public address. Anybody who has this can see what is inside of your wallet and what it holds, your assets, but they cannot take things out or do other things just because they have this address. But it just kind of shows they can use this to see what you hold, what assets you have, and what all is in your account. But unless they have that private key, or if you've signed something, which we will get into on the POAP linking later, then uh, they won't be able to make operations with your wallet just from your public address. But that is how locations know also where to send you things. They need these addresses. And so, okay, so that's how you've just got a wallet set up in the Chrome extensions, and it works uh, almost exactly the same way for Edge and probably Firefox or Opera if they support the extensions as well. Okay, for this last part here, we're going to be showing how to download now the MetaMask extension. This is if you don't want to use Coinbase. We're sponsored by neither, so this is just kind of showing you how to do both. Some people prefer one more or the other. It is personal preference, which wallet that you want to use. So first off, just as before, what you'll do is you'll click Manage Extensions, and then discover more extensions and themes on the Chrome Web Store is one of the faster ways to get there. But one way or another, you want to end up on the Chrome Web Store. Then you will search MetaMask, all one word, and you want to make sure the one you get is from MetaMask.io, and of course that it is created by the owner of the listed website. Always helps. So mine's already added to Chrome. You click Add to Chrome here yourself, and it will add it for you. Then you can launch it this way. I do believe that when you first download it, it will instantly bring you to this page. But for me, since I already downloaded it, I click and it moves me over here. So I'm going to go ahead and agree to the MetaMask terms of use. I suggest you read them before you sign it so you know what you're signing. Um, if you watch the Coinbase videos, or if not, you see that you have a way to create a new wallet, or you can import an existing wallet. Um, and then, so all you need to do to import a wallet, if you watch the other videos, those important 12 words, you can import things from, you can import a wallet, an Ethereum wallet that you used on Coinbase over to MetaMask if you don't want to use Coinbase anymore, because they are your funds in your wallet. It just depends what program you're using to access those funds. And also, even for people just now seeing this, if you're just watching the MetaMask portion, we'll get to these 12 words later. Keep them secret. Whoever has these 12 words has access to your wallet. They have access to your funds. Only you should ever see these. And for this very reason, you can import your wallet with that key phrase anywhere. But for the MetaMask, we want to go ahead and create a new wallet. I'm going to opt out of optional data. No reason for them to know that for me. You may choose something differently, but create password. So it's going to want a password, and this is just going to what you'll use to unlock it if you've already got it imported on your device, which I am going to use the same password that I used, which you shouldn't share passwords, but since these are throwaway wallets, just develop or make your own strong password, and you understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for you because it's how it is. So we create a new wallet. And then you can secure your wallet or remind me later. 12-word phrase is the master key. So you do want to secure your wallet, recommended, right? These are those 12 words. Same thing again. If you have these, you can get access to your wallet from anywhere, but so can anyone else. So get these 12 words, write them down, store them somewhere safe, bury them, like I said in the other video. Just whatever you do, make sure you have access to these 12 words, so that way you can always have access to your funds, and make sure nobody else has access to them so that nobody else has access to your funds. So for this one, it's going to force me to look. I do like the way Coinbase does it better, where you can just copy it without watching. But I'll go ahead and reveal it for the video. Same thing. Never show anybody these. I'll probably even blur it out for this video just to practice good standards. And then you can copy to clipboard or write it down, however you want to do it. Just same way, be safe with it. Whoever has this can access whatever money you put into that wallet. So once you've got it, that's annoying. But also, good thing here, they do the same thing as Coinbase, a little rougher with it, of making you plug in the individual spots where your words are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 8. And so you plug in the right words there, prove that you know the code. And like I said, keep that safe or you'll never get your funds if you lose access to it, because you won't have their seed phrase. Now you know your wallet is protected, ready to use. You can find your secret recovery phrase in settings and security and privacy. Keep a reminder, if your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe, if you lose it, no one can help you get it back. Even worse, you won't be able to access your wallet ever again. So after that, your MetaMask install is complete. You can pin it if you want to, but now you have a Ethereum wallet on MetaMask. Or if you decided to import it from your Coinbase before, it's the same wallet. You're just accessing it from a different location now, or a different application. And so with that, you're done. You can see you have this copy here. This is your public address. If you saw the other videos, if not, a public address is one. If anybody has that address, that's how they know where to send you stuff on the chain. But also, if they have that address, they can see what you hold in your wallet, your assets, what do you call it, coins, etc. But they won't be able to take action just with that address. They'd have to sign with it to get any ability to run anything with it. But we'll get onto that further with the actual POAP section of this video. But now you are set up. You have your public address. You can copy that there, and that's what we will use with the with the POAP section of this video in just a bit. Okay, and so now you are set up with a MetaMask wallet on your browser. All right, if you made it this far in the video, then you've created either a Coinbase or a MetaMask Ethereum wallet, and you are able to now interact or connect it with the POAP application. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to poap.xyz, and you want to make sure that this is the correct website, because you don't want to connect your wallet to any spoofers or malevolent bad actors that will could possibly scam you. So you want to make sure that you are on the correct site, and there will be a link to this with the video. So what we're going to do from here is there's two ways that we can connect our wallets. This is going to be through the browser with the browser extension, and the second way is with the mobile app, which we will also show later. So starting off here, we can connect our wallet. Either we can just create an account straight out here, or if you had tried to mint a POAP earlier and you just linked it to your email and you're just needing to finish the Zealy quest, which is very likely, you should have gotten an email from POAP that says your whatever POAP is ready for minting. And there's two options: I have a wallet or create a new account. Here we can go ahead and click I have a wallet because we've set one up, and I clicked that off of a different tab, but we can connect and go, which you want to make sure it's the right link again, collectors.poap.xyz/redeem, and then just following specific ID of that POAP. And from there, it'll say this POAP is reserved with the email, and then the email that you had used to reserve it. Please enter your Ethereum address or ENS to mint it. Now, once we enter in this address here, it will connect this wallet to that account. And so we'll go ahead and do that. So you can use, this works the same way for Coinbase or MetaMask. If you wish to use your MetaMask address, open up the MetaMask extension, and you want to copy this address up at the top from your clipboard. And then you will then paste that in here, like so. And then you would click Mint Now, and it would mint it to your MetaMask wallet. And it would then be in there. And you could use that wallet in Zealy, which we'll show in a little bit, for claiming the quest. So once you've done that, you can also, or if you haven't done that, if you're on Coinbase Wallet, you can go here, same way, you click the copy like before, and then you want to copy the Ethereum address and then paste that right here. So either way works, whether it's for MetaMask or for Coinbase. You put in the wallet address here, make sure it's the right site, and mint. Once we mint, it'll say, okay, we're minting one POAP, and it may take a minute. All right, so now we have one POAP minted, and we can go ahead and view our collection. And we can see that this POAP now, instead of being reserved by your email, it is collected by your wallet. And whether you're on MetaMask or Coinbase, you can go in and see that under your NFTs section. If it has, sometimes it does take a minute to refresh your wallet, and it doesn't appear right away, but it usually is relatively quick. We can see it's already in there. So now this wallet that we just created, and it works the same way on MetaMask, I just stuck it into my Coinbase wallet, is now in here, which we can then use to verify with Zealy later. We're going to be using our mobile phone to connect our wallet to our POAP that way. So two ways to do this: you can use your MetaMask wallet again, or you can use your Coinbase Ethereum as well, or any other wallet application that you're using that supports the Ethereum network. So first, we're going to find POAP Home by POAP Incorporated, and we're going to go ahead and install it and open it. Once we've done this, it's going to ask for your ENS, Ethereum address, or email. Now, if you reserved a POAP before, you had tried to mint one and you just used your email, and now you're trying to figure out how to connect the account to get Zealy to work, then you're going to want to put your email here. Otherwise, if you're just preemptively linking an account, creating and linking an account to POAP so that you can mint them and then have your Zealy work, you can just go ahead and put your address in here, your Ethereum address. But since we have already minted one, we'll use this one. Since we have already reserved a POAP, but we haven't minted it yet because we haven't connected a wallet, but we just created one, then we're going to go ahead and put in the email that we used when we reserved that POAP. So we set account, now we hop in here, and well, there should be one on here, but I guess not. Oh, I linked it to a different account, but that's fine. So you log into your account, and this is where you will see where you have, oh, never mind, this may just be because I haven't minted them yet, but we'll see. So next up, what we're going to do, and they should appear here, is go to Settings and connect our wallet. And now we can use a desktop authentication, which will give us a website to go to
home.poap.xyz/auth, and we can connect a Edge extension browser, an Edge or Chrome or whatever extension you have to make that work. At that point, you might as well just connect the wallet onto your account there, and then when you log in here, it'll be the same with that address. Just log in with the address instead of your email. But if you haven't, desktop authentication is a way to do that. Otherwise, an easier way, if you're just doing this only mobile, is to use Wallet Connect, and this supports the MetaMask app, which we didn't go through how to set up. Very similar process anyways. Or you can go to All Wallets, find your Coinbase, which will open up your Coinbase app and allow you to sign. Same thing here. Ensure that this is the correct contract that you are signing with. This POAP //WSEGU. Please proceed with caution. xyz.poap.mobile.app. Because this will view your public address or wallet balance, send you requests for transactions. So do your own research. Make sure always that what you are signing is what you need to be signing, because this one is actually not even signing. It's just connecting, which is nice, but there are always stuff involved. So then you connect it, then it wants you to sign. Account authentication. Please sign a message with your account to authenticate the true ownership of your POAP collection. So we'll be taken there. So we go to sign it. Now this is where you want to make sure, read the message data, sign in this message to connect to POAP home. Request from POAP, and you can see POAP /SWSEGU. You can look whatever is asking you to sign it up. You can look it up, make sure it's the right one. Do your own research. If you sign something malevolent, it can give it privileges just to drain your account or otherwise scam you. So make sure that what you're signing is correct. Do your research and make sure that you are signing the correct stuff. Now then, once you've signed it, it will ask you, says you're connecting a different wallet than the one currently configured. The current wallet is going to be the email that you signed up with, and now your new wallet is going to be your actual Ethereum wallet. So you're going to want to connect and replace the account. It will now it will replace your email account with the wallet, and now your POAP account will be connected by your Ethereum wallet. And from there, you can now build up your collection of POAPs, and when you want to go and verify, you just use the same wallet address that these are stored on with Sealy, and that will allow you to make your claim.